Oh, hi. My name is James Urquhart. You caught us tweeting here. I'm the market manager for cloud computing and data center virtualization at Cisco Systems, and my colleagues here are
Chris Hoff, Director of Cloud and Virtualization Solutions. I work with James at Cisco.
And Stuart Miniman. I'm a technologist in EMC's CTO office. I focus on storage networking.
And this is the Daily Tech Blogger Minute. And the concept behind this is at the end of each day during Cisco Live this week, we're going to come back to you with a little bit of a review of the previous day's events and a little bit of a heads up of what we think is going to be exciting about the next day. And we'll start with the big one right off the top of the bat. John Chambers' keynote coming up tomorrow morning, and I can't imagine that that's going to happen without a little bit of a shock or something during the thing.
Shock and awe.
Yeah, and I always love at the conferences like this, the Twitter activity at the keynote is unreal. I'm sure we'll hit trending topics. It's hashtag CLSF.
CLSF. That's
CLSF.
right.
So yeah, please join us in the conversation. You'll definitely see the three of us pretty active out there, but we tend to be drowned out anyway.
Yeah, and not only are you going to be able to watch it on Twitter, but you've got the virtual conference now, so they're going to be streaming the keynotes.
Right, that's right. And if you want something to heckle on Twitter, you can come to my session at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon in Moscone South. I'm going to be talking about achieving the intercloud and a little bit of a kind of fun little study of the trends that it's going to take to get to the concept of a public open cloud internetwork. And so I hope to have a really good time kind of bending people's minds with that conversation. But you know, if you don't like me, you can always tell the Twitter world. So
you're doing that. I'm juggling Cisco Nexus 5000s. Stu, you've got...
and so I'm going to be in the Solution Pavilion talking about fiber channel over Ethernet and how that's one of the building blocks for the virtualized data center in the private cloud. So I'll be there all week. Please stop by.
Yeah. I'll be in the Cisco booth also.
Is there anything else going on the pavilion floor that's like pretty cool?
So I was reading online on the VMware blog that there's a demo going on taking vMotion over distance between data centers, and I'm really excited to see that. So.
I think Peter's right. I've been talking about that for years. No, but that's huge, right? I mean, in my opinion, that's you know, a future industry, right? In high tech is going to be the applications people figure out when they can actually move a live workload in real time globally in a matter of milliseconds. That's going to be cool.
So have we solved the speed of light yet?
Right, who needs to solve the speed of light? You know, it's only data.
So we got
only data.
So we got Chambers keynote. We got your fantastic presentation. Stu's down there. I'm juggling Nexus 5000s. Next big thing on the list from a keynote perspective would be Padma's talk.
Yeah, on Wednesday, which I'm very excited because I know she's talking quite a bit about cloud computing. Obviously, it's a subject near and dear to my heart. And I definitely expect her to say some cool things of her own about intercloud and about private cloud, which is another big subject.
We're real excited about the private cloud activity. Obviously, what we're doing with you guys, Cisco, and also with VMware. Right. So a lot going on there.
Yep. Right. So that's all cool. And
what else we have on our magic list down here? So there's all sorts of demos from partners too. Tremendous amount of activity going on the show floor. Data Center of the Future, which I mentioned, which is I took a tour, kind of a pre-tour of that today.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
I mean, seriously, that's a cool demo.
I mean, it is absolutely fantastic.
Absolutely fun. And we'll be back to tell you what else we find out for that'll be exciting on Wednesday tomorrow, same time, same channel, and we hope you'll join us.
Thanks.
Thank you.